Ano ba ang balance transfer? Pag-usapan natin yan. Basically, a balance transfer is if you have one existing credit card, may utang ka dito sa credit card na to, pwede mo i-transfer yung balance ng credit card na to sa isa mo pang credit card. That's why it's called balance transfer. So, itong utang mo, dito mo siya i-transfer para dito mo siya babayaran. Now, some of the benefits of a balance transfer. Usually, banks will offer good or competitive interest rates doon sa balance transfer mo. For example, this example of BDO's offer ng balance transfer, mas mababa ang interest rate niya compared to a normal interest rate of a credit card. Normally, credit cards will charge you 3% monthly interest rate. Pero if sa balance transfer ni BDO na to, it can go as low as 0.39%. Now, it depends kung gaano katagal rin yung utang mo na yon, gaano katagal rin yung term mo na yon, di ba? Now, let's have an example here. For a BDO balance transfer, minimum niya for the promo is 5,000 pesos. And of course, meron rin siyang processing fee of 250 pesos. Meaning nun, basta transfer yung balance mo na doon sa credit card na yan, may 250 pesos na processing fee. Now, I made this sample computation here. Kung example, 10,000 pesos yung iba-balance transfer mo. Kung napansin nyo dito guys, diba? Ang 3 to 6 months and 9 months mo is a monthly add-on rate of 0.55%. Ang annual effective interest rate niya will be this as follows. Nasa table naman siya. So when you look at that monthly add-on interest rate, guys, that's monthly interest rate na pinapatong nila. It's the same way na pag, example, sa credit card ka umutang, it's 3% per month. Ang annual effective interest rate nun is at 36%. And guys, if you notice the 12, 18, 24, 36, di ba mas mababa ang kanyang monthly add-on rate and kanyang annual effective interest rate. Kasi nga mas mahaba yung term at saka not only that, mas mababa talaga yung binigay na interest rate. Kaya looking at this, di ba? Ang ganda na tong 12 months na to kasi mas mababa nga siya. Compare kung hindi mo bayaran ng buo yung balance mo sa credit card, guys, mas mataas definitely yung monthly amortization mo. Mas mataas rin ang interest na babayaran mo in total. Now, some reminders bago kayo excited na lahat kayo mag-balance transfer na. When do you use your balance transfer? I would always use it, or I would always recommend pag last resort mo na siya. Meaning, these are times when medyo nagkahol, may nangyari na hindi mo mabayaran yung balance mo. Look for number one, the best add-on interest rate that is given to you by the bank. For example, this promo, it can go as low as 0.39%. Monthly add-on rate, maganda yan kasi mababa yan. Next, when you look at your monthly amortization as well, tingnan mo kung ano yung kaya mong bayaran din. Yung realistic. And of course, always look at it in a bird's eye view. How? I-multiply mo yung total monthly amortization mo by the total tenor mo or the total months na kailangan mo siya bayaran. Para makita mo how much ang interest na babayaran mo in total. Another example here, palakihin natin, 100,000 pesos. Tingnan mo, for that 100,000 pesos, di ba, if ginawa mong 36 months na yan, total interest na binayaran mo dyan is 14,044 pesos. Ang pinaka-sweet spot dyan will be the 12 months, which is only at 4,680.56 ang interest mo. And then, syempre, yung monthly amortization mo, mababa rin. Medyo mas kaya siya, di ba? Don't forget, whenever you use balance transfer, it depends on the offers of the bank. Get the best offer. The better your credit score is, the better your payment history is, syempre, mas magandang offer sa'yo ng banko. Always choose the lowest monthly add-on rate when it comes to balance transfer. And of course, use it kung kailan mo lang siya gamitin. Kailangan. Again, if you're having challenges with paying your credit card bills, that means we have to step back, look at our finances, look at how we're spending our money. Baka kasi we're already overspending and we don't know it. So we don't want, syempre, to fall into the trap na nagkakautang-utang ka na patong-patong na sa credit card because malaki ang interest talaga sa credit card. I hope this video helps. Again, don't forget, kaskas wisely.